Samarinda is the capital city of East Borneo, which is directly split by Mahakam River. The city has a lot of education facilities, just like Mulawarman University, which is the biggest university in East Borneo. The place that ORCAELLA Chemical team is formed at the Chemical Engineering's major Faculty of Engineering. ORCAELLA Chemical team is engaged in research, development, and manufacturing of chemical prototype by using chemical reaction. ORCAELLA Chemical team's name is inspired by Latin names of Mahakam Irawadi's dolphin, which is ORCAELLA brevirostris. Now ORCAELLA already has 6 generations of cars with different concepts. ORCAELLA Alpha 3.0 is the last series that is being developed by this team with very innovative and futuristic concept. And our team journey start from
I was sleepy. Okay, wait a second.
Welcome to Mulawarman University, the place for these teams doing their research. David Gianturi, the Flash. He is the leader of ORCAELLA Alpha 3.0 project. He handled the car's basic design and machine. The car's dimension is very compact, where the height is 24 cm with stopping device and 15 cm without stopping device mounted, 18 cm width and 35 cm length that will provide excellent mobility to the user. Our car has a simple and fully functional design, which provides a storage for a solid load like sand at the center of the car to spread out the load to all wheels perfectly. This kind of storage can handle up to 1 kg load. For machine, we choose Atomic Tune 2 Pro electric motor, which has input voltage around 2.4 volt and RPM around 14,500 RPM. Torque at load is 1.8 mN and current consumption around 1.5 ampere. This electric motor's torque is very low compared to the 0.75 kg normal load. Because of that, we come with a solution by using 4-speed mode, thanks to the gearbox which has 4-speed ratio, which are 12:1 ratio, 38:1 ratio, 114:1 ratio, and 344:1 ratio. That provides different speed and torque depends on load and condition. The car's top speed without load can reach 100 cm per second at 12:1 ratio and maximum at 12 cm per second with 1.3 kg load by using 344:1 ratio.
Imam, have you finished the car?
Not yet.
Here is the tire.
So let's go on a car spree together. We can do whatever we want, whenever.
What the?
Imam, the psychokinetics. He managed the arrangement of mounted components on the car to provide easy access, maintenance, and the car's aesthetics. By using this arrangement, we can decrease electrical components as few as possible to prevent inefficient electrical joint. We choose banana plug and cream terminal for our battery rather than alligator clip to provide good contact and solid joint between the power source, anode, and cathode plate to electrical power switch. This car has a fast and simple starting system thanks to the only one switch which is mounted between the stopping device and DC electric motor to stop and start motor immediately by using a single touch from your finger. Febri Sinta, the Eliminator. She managed the car's material to keep it economically friendly and yet strong enough to any field with certain load. This car is easy to build and maintain thanks to the car's basic design, which is very simple yet practical, and the car's main material is easy to find. We have recycled some material just like cardboard for a car's body and chassis, scrap toys wheels for the car's wheels, lead battery box as modified power source box, scrap hose and brass nipple as drain valve and other material. By doing those things, We have achieved 75% of car's mass material is from recycled material, and our purpose to decrease waste in environment is achieved. This makes ORCAELLA Alpha 3.0 is economically friendly, strong, practical, and environmentally friendly.
There's stopping tab. Good. Don't do that again. Thanks.
Nelsonino, the time bender. She handled the stopping mechanism device to ensure the car's accuracy depends on the specified distance by using hydrochloric acid to make the magnesium corroded and broken at the certain time. The stopping device dimension is 7 cm length, 5 cm width, and 18 cm height, and it is replaceable. Consists of acrylic box as the casing, burette, magnesium, and drain valve. This stopping mechanism works when the solution of hydrochloric acid added to the burette by using syringe. The 2.04 molar hydrochloric acid solution will drip slowly to the magnesium at 10 mm gap. The magnesium has 10 cm length, 1 cm width, and 0.5 mm thickness that has a function just like a wire on the power source circuit to the electric motor. When the solution drips to the magnesium, magnesium will react with solution which produce magnesium chloride solution and hydrogen gas. The hydrogen gas will float up and the magnesium chloride will flow down thanks to the acrylic box, which provide a good sealed container for both gas and liquid at the bottom to prevent leaking. The hydrochloric acid keeps dripping to the magnesium until it breaks up as a sign of successful stopping process. As the magnesium broken, the electricity will stop immediately and stop the car. Drain valve is provided to drain any liquid inside the body, and this stopping device is ready to be used again. By using this stopping mechanism, this car has a very accurate stopping system for any distance, field, and very low error factor.
This is useless.
What's wrong there?
No power here.
Take it easy.
What the?
Ramadina Salma, the electro. She powered the car by using cupric sulfate solution and polyethylene mixed in the battery cell as our power source. The car's battery cell only consists of 3 cells that make it small and compact, but powerful enough to power up the car with maximum load, which is up to 1 kg load. There are 2 pairs of copper plate and zinc plate that is separated by a piece of cloth as separator for each cell, and all of them is arranged in series. The 90 ml 1.5 molar cupric sulfate solution will be mixed with 15 ml of polyethylene in the beginning that will produce 105 ml mixed solution. Usually we call it gum-gum solution. 35 ml of gum-gum solution will be injected by syringe to each cell. This solution will react with zinc and copper plate that have 27 square centimeter area. Each cell is contacted in series directly to ensure it has efficient contact. Several reactions occur in this process, including oxidation and reduction, makes the current flowing through the power circuit. These battery cells produce around 5.5 volt and 1.25 ampere to run the car up to 120 meters without load and 80 meters with 0.75 kilograms load around 15 centimeters. Gum-gum solution is very efficient electrolyte, has a long lifetime and environmentally friendly. Our battery cell is very powerful compared to its size to the converted energy. This battery has a long lifetime thanks to the polyethylene solution that has a role as sacrificial anode to slow down zinc plate corroded by covering its surface from cupric sulfate. Because of this, zinc and copper plate can be used again for several times and decrease the operating cost. The overall chemicals that we have used in this car, such as hydrochloric acid and magnesium for stopping mechanism, cupric sulfate, polyethylene, zinc and copper plate for power source, are environmentally friendly and safe, which is supported by proper container and other device to keep it on its place. All of the chemicals that we have used in this car are technical grade, which lead us to the cheap operating cost per run and yet very practical and easy to find. So we can achieve only around 3.8% of overall car's cost for chemical needs per run. When all of the components and chemicals are combined, this is ORCAELLA Alpha 3.0.
Let's go on a crime spree together. We can do whatever we want, whenever. Two lovers against the law.
And here we are, ORCAELLA Chemical Team, not as superhero, but as chemical team that will bring innovation to the future.
Let's go.